Don't introduce yourself today. Don't introduce yourself.
This is Matt.
No, don't introduce us.
DJ Matt C. And
DJ.
I'm Kroneskiki.
Today, we're gonna go to the hardware store because it's closed early because of Corona.
Yes. And we happened to go to the store early to get some Corona. We got humped today by a dog.
Oh yeah?
His name was Domino. Yeah, really cool dog, but a little bit too much testosterone on the knees, if you know what I'm saying.
You know, what do you think Justin Bieber is doing right now?
The Biebs, he's looking at his bank account going way up in the sky with that yummy check that he did.
You think he's like, Corona, 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 oh!
No, I think they're doing that in Guadalajara, Mexico, actually.
Corona, 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 oh!
So we're driving on the downtown. We got the Sky Dome there. I don't know if you can see. The city's dead.
City's dead.
I wonder whose fault this really is.
Bill Gates' fault, I tell you that.
And Mr. Warren Buffett. I'm betting you.
That old bitch.
And Warren, I know
look,
you.
the pigs are there. Pigs are there. Watch.
Oh.
Take a look at it. Look. Oh, two people in a car. Oh my God.
And a homeless man.
We're not 6 feet apart.
No shit.
6 feet apart, man. The cops are gonna bust our ass.
We're going to jail.
Oh man.
We're going to jail.
The homeless guy. Get away, Corona boy. Get away, Corona boy.
We might have some third
Yo,
artist.
shut the window. Corona boy's coming.
Corona.
That guy's got Corona all in his face.
Oh shit. But like we were saying, everybody's all scared about this coronavirus thing, but we think actually this is a hoax by the powers at hand, Mr. Warren Buffett, Mr. Bill Gates, all you Mason guys, all you Illuminati guys. And by the way, this is just a satire comedic rendition that me and my boy Matt are doing. Yes, and I still didn't introduce my name. This is DJ Matt C.
DJ Matt C in the house. When this shit's over, you gotta come to my club.
Yes.
I'm gonna be spinning the records, bro.
All records.
Yeah, records, man. None of this electronic shit.
We're gonna do a retro 80s.
Yeah.
Retro 80s set.
Yeah.
Lots of Wham, George Michael.
Da 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 da.
Bah! Oh,
Yeah.
so I guess we're about now going on the highway. So I guess we'll say we're out now, and we'll get back to you. Back at Lowe's, grabbing more lumber. That's what you call hard wood. Materials needed from the earth, trees. No videos, but we're on our way back. We got all the lumber on the roof.
No videos.
Right now it's a ghost town in the city. Cheers to all y'all.
No videos.
Okay, no videos. Cut to the next scene.
The people.
You see all the people lining up for alcohol during this corona outbreak?
You see all the people lining up for alcohol. That's
Alcohol.
called addiction. Total addiction, boy. They can't control themselves. Even when the corona, they can't control themselves. They must be drinking so much because they've got a problem. You see, the people, the alcoholism is a fucking disaster. You know what I'm saying?
Special what's up to Rob Ford, got rest store. We're running the Patois right now on our journey back. DJ Massey.
Bumbleclat, boy.
Bumbaclat!